Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm just going to show you how to use the cross multiplication technique with word problems. Cross multiplication is a very useful and effective technique when it comes to dealing with certain types of word problems, and I'll show you how to set up a cross multiplication process using a word problem. So here's an example right here. We'll begin right now. A can of premium tuna. A can of premium tuna cost $4. Bingo bought 17 cans. How much did he pay in all? Now this is a straightforward, easy question, and you don't need cross multiplication, but I'm going to use cross multiplication for this. First of all, we're going to start by looking at the very first sentence. A can of premium tuna costs $4. I need numbers. In order to do cross multiplication, I need to have some numbers to set up in order to cross multiply. So I'm going to start with the first two words here. A can. A can, if I turn this into a number, basically means one can. That's what a can means. So I'm going to write that down. Okay, a can or one can of premium tuna costs $4. Okay, one can costs $4. You see that equal sign right here? This equal sign represents the word costs. Okay, so one can is $4. All right, so this is taken care of. And now let's go to the next sentence. Bingo bought 17 cans. Okay, now where should I put that information? Should I put that in the money section or should I put that in the can section? Well, since he bought 17 cans, I should put in the can section. So I'm going to put the number 17 cans right here. Okay, so what this means, guys, is be careful. When you set up a cross multiplication problem, make sure you keep the units together. Whatever units are there, keep them together in line. If you mix or match these units, if you mix them up, your whole thing will become wrong. So in this case, can goes with can. And the next question is, how much did he pay in all? How much did he pay? That's not a number. That's just a big giant question mark. That we don't know, and that's what you have to solve. So how much did he pay means money. So right over here, I'm going to put a question mark. And that is what you will have to solve using the cross multiplication technique. And there we go, we set it up. You see that? Units. Make sure the units are matching and they're together. Cans with cans, dollars with dollars. Okay? And now we can cross multiply. Let's cross multiply. Always start with the question mark first. And cross. Go across. That's why it's called cross multiply. And you multiply it. So in this case, 1 times question mark is 1 question mark. Or just good old question mark. Okay? Done. Next one. And don't forget the equal sign, of course. Let's cross multiply the other side. 17 cans multiplied by 4. So 17 multiplied by 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. And 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. So final answer, Bingo paid $68 for 17 cans. And this is how you use the cross multiplication technique in a word problem. Let me show you another one. Let me show you another word problem. Okay? Guess what? You can also divide using these word problems. Cross multiplication, you can multiply and or divide. So let's see if we can do a little division problem. Let's try something simple. Let's see. How about this one? 1 yard, okay, is equal to 3 feet in length. That's 1 yard, okay? 1 yard is 3 feet. So the question now is, well, how many feet in, actually no, let me do the other way. Let's do the other way around. How many yards are there in, how about 36 feet, for example? Okay, Not really a word problem, but still, it's a problem that requires cross multiplication because I need to find out how many yards in 36 feet. So let's cross multiply. Start with the question mark and go across. And you can see it's 3 times question mark. 3 times question mark is 3 question mark. Done. And now go the other side. 36 times 1. 36 times 1 is 36. There we go. And now we got a problem. This question mark right here, it's got to be independent. It needs to be alone. Right now it's got family. It's got the 3 over there. We can't have family. We have to get rid of that family, okay? How do you get rid of it? You simply divide the whole side, the left side, by 3. And whatever you divide on the left side, you do the same thing on the right side. You divide it by 3. Same number. And now you just do the division. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, or just question mark. And in this case, 36 divided by 3, or 3 times some number, equals 36. And that answer is 12. So, final answer. There are 12 yards in 36 feet. And this is how you do basically cross multiplication with word problems. Alright, thank you.